Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Now, many of you are familiar with the smaller guest internet products. A lot of people, thousands of people, have bought smaller products to set up a Wi-Fi internet service for the community using Starlink or other products. However, not too many people know that we also have a lot of telecom companies who buy our products. And they're not buying the smaller products, they're buying products like the GIS R10, okay? And what they're doing is to provide data services in communities, in rural communities. So our guest internet products allow them to expand into rural communities very easily. They don't have to build a 4G tower. They can provide data services just with a satellite connection, one of our products, and then they set up wireless access points around the community like this to provide Wi-Fi internet. Why do telecom companies like these products? Well, the answer is the ability that guest internet has to integrate with the telecom management systems. A lot of people see the guest internet product and think this is only what it is, but in fact, this is only part of the system. This is managed by the guest internet cloud, and the guest internet cloud can manage a number of different locations. There's no limit to the number of locations. And so the telecom company has two types of services in its management system. It's got subscriber services where people sign up and they get a constant access to the internet and they pay every month for that. And then we have the people who pay on demand. And the mobile operators in Africa have a mobile money system. And so they can offer both services. Using the guest internet products, we can build an interface between the guest internet cloud and the telecom management system, subscriber management system. And so within the community where this might be connected via satellite, it really doesn't matter how this equipment is connected to the internet. The guest internet GIS R10, for example, can have two satellite connections in order to increase the throughput. So you can have several hundred people at the same time accessing the internet using this product. So the telecom company can set up this equipment in a rural community for a much lower cost than setting up a 4G tower. Obviously, there's no voice communication, but there is data. And so the people in the community can become subscribers of the telecom company data service. They can be signed up as subscribers, so they get constant access to the internet and pay every month, or they can purchase the access on demand using mobile money or whatever system the telecom company has. Now, this is great for the telecom company because they can add subscribers very quickly. They're not limited by their ability to invest in 4G towers or 5G towers, which is very expensive, not only for the equipment, but also logistically, because in order to build a tower and install the equipment, you need specialized people. Those skills may not be available exactly where you need them. This type of equipment can be set up much more simply. You need a tower to put the antennas, but it doesn't have to have the complexity of a 4G tower. So we have a lot of information about this. We even have a book that you can download, okay? So if you're a telecom company or you work with telecom companies, okay, we can help you expand your subscriber base very quickly into rural communities. Please contact us. Ask us how to do this. We'll provide the answers for you. Okay? Well, thanks for watching. Tune in for the next guest internet video. Bye for now.